Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to review a budget 8K camera that claims to deliver professional level photography and video at a very low price, the FelioFly 8K digital camera with 88MP resolution. So first impressions, this camera is designed mainly for beginners and YouTubers who want an affordable vlogging setup. It comes with dual lenses, meaning you can easily switch between front and rear cameras, which is actually very useful for content creators and vloggers. Now let's talk about the most eye-catching feature. It claims to shoot 8K video and 88MP photos. This is powered by a Sony IMX586 sensor, which is commonly used in smartphones and budget cameras. But here's the reality: while the numbers look impressive, the actual output quality depends on processing and lens quality, not just megapixels. Moving forward, it includes 6-axis stabilization, which helps reduce shaky footage. That means if you're recording handheld videos or walking while vlogging, your footage will look smoother. Another great feature is the 3.2-inch touchscreen and Wi-Fi connectivity. You can instantly transfer your photos and videos to your smartphone and upload them directly to YouTube or social media. You also get a complete package: 64GB memory card, 2 batteries, flash, and lens hood, which is actually amazing for beginners because you don't need to buy extra accessories. Now let's talk honestly, this camera is not a professional DSLR or mirrorless camera. It has limitations like limited manual controls, mostly digital zoom, not optical, average battery performance. So who is this camera for? If you are a beginner, student, or YouTuber starting out, this is a good entry-level option. But if you want cinematic quality or professional photography, you should consider higher-end cameras. Backhand index pointing right. Final verdict: good for beginners, not for professionals. Pausing slightly. So if you are planning to start YouTube or casual photography, this might be worth trying. But always remember, skills matter more than specs.